Hi guys, today we got the Nihui Toys U807 drone. This one has a flying radius of 150 meters with a magnetic compass. This one comes from Gearbest and has a 2 megapixel camera. You can order this drone in 2 colors, as you can see. For the black one or the white one. I got the white one. Well, you can see the front of the box and the back side of the box. So this is the remote. The remote got 2 buttons on the top. One is for the rate, which will give 40, 60 and 80% rate. Then you got another button that does the flips, or you can operate the camera with it. If you push the button, if the camera is attached and you push the button, then you will take a picture, and if you hold the button, then the video will record. If you don't have the camera attached and you push the button, then the copter will do a flip. Yeah. And also this drone got headless mode, which will mean it will always follow your stick directions. And I will show in a minute what I mean by that. Let's open it up and see what you get. Okay, so, well, you got your spare propellers and some spare motor parts and some screws, and also a small screwdriver. The USB charger, you got your camera, with a USB card reader, and you even get a micro SD card, of 4 gigabytes, so you can start straight away. Okay, the camera. Okay, this camera is really, well, it is nice because you can adjust the camera head. And it's really easy to detach or attach. Okay, then we got the remote with the trimmings buttons, the power button. This remote is mode 2, which will mean that you got the throttle on the left stick. So here you got the buttons, the flip button or the camera button, and the rate modes button, 40, 60 and 80 rate, which will make the copter really more responsive. Then you got a battery bay, which will take 4 AA batteries. Oops. Let's keep him there. Okay, well, I don't know if you can read it, but here it says mode 2. Here you can see how much battery is left in the remote. And here you can see the connection quality, or how much connection you still got with the copter. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's get the drone out. Okay, so here we got the drone. We got the blue LEDs and the red LEDs. The blue LEDs are for the front and the reds are for the back. You also got, when you turn it on, you got here a flashing light green LED, which is really nice when you fly with it in the dark. It's really easy to follow. Okay, then we got a battery. This battery is 3.7 volt and 650 milliampere. So let's put the box aside. Okay, so we got the camera. The camera is really easy to attach. You just plug it in. Like that. And then push the camera forward and it clicks and it's all set. So you can put a battery in, connect it, and you're ready to fly. Okay, the headless mode I will demonstrate how that goes. Okay, so first you switch the power button. The copter will bind immediately, and also the motors are straight away are armed. So if we move the throttle sticks, the motor will spin up. I will demonstrate. See? Okay. Now for the headless mode to work, you have to calibrate it and set it. So what you do is you push both sticks to the left corner and then the lights will flash, and then the copter got its heading like this. See, you see it flashing. Okay, now the copter is ready for headless mode. The headless mode you can activate by pushing the right stick and the remote will beep like that. Okay, and what does headless mode mean? That means it doesn't matter which way the copter is pointing. The copter will always follow the stick movement. So if you pull the stick back and the copter is pointing to the right, the copter will just follow the movement. So forward, forward, backward, backwards, left and right, like this. Okay, so that's about it, what I have to tell. So let's get it outside and do some flying.